How to prepare a natural antibiotic. You need 1 medium-sized dry onion and all 2 tablespoons of honey. Cut off one end of the dry onion. This mixture is very beneficial for cough, pharyngitis, and flu. Additionally, it can be used as an antibacterial and to strengthen the immune system. This part is done. Similarly, cut off the top part and hollow it out a bit. As we know, while medications have beneficial effects, they can also have negative effects on the body. Therefore, it is necessary to also support illnesses with natural methods. Support obtained from natural products is very beneficial for health. It protects the body, from chemical effects, reducing the liver's burden of dealing with toxins. The onion-honey mixture with the components in the onion suppresses sore throat, throat inflammation, cough, bronchitis, and asthma attacks. Now that we have prepared the onion, place it on top of the jar where the honey will be filtered. Pour the honey into the hole you have made on top of the onion. This honey will filter through the onion and drip into the jar within 2-3 hours. Take 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach in the mornings. You can consume it 2 to 3 times a week. This mixture, which is beneficial for joint pain as well as joint rheumatism, is your natural antibiotic.